Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 57. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson we'll learn adding polynomials. Now in this case we've got our first example to try out, and we certainly do it by adding like terms. We'll look for like terms and add them. So in this case, you find that 3x cubed y is very similar to 2x cubed y here. So when we add 3x cubed y to 2x cubed y, you get a total of 5x cubed y. And then we can see here 5x squared is very similar to minus 5x squared. So plus 5x squared minus 5x squared, we are left with a 0. So that's it. Then next, we have minus 2y plus 3x. Those are two unlikely terms, so they remain as they are. So we have minus 2y plus 3. Minus 2y plus 3x, and that is what we get as our final result. Okay, now let's try another example, very similar, and that is 4x squared plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. Again, we look for like terms and add them. So here we've got 4x squared is very similar to 3x squared. When you add them, we get a total of 7x squared. And then when you look at 3x, it's very similar to minus 5x. So we say 3x minus 5x, that will leave us with minus 2x. And then lastly, we look at minus 5 plus 7. And this one will give us a total result of 2. And so this is our final answer. All right? Okay, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. Okay, see you in the next lesson, and bye for now.